I'm tired of this game already.
You want me to do her?
It's up to Joe.
Dodo, can I have a turn?
Oh, Mama, where are you going?
Wait for me. I'm gonna pass you. Okay, I'll try you. Oh. Mama, wait up. It's fine. Not yet.
That's quite the outfit, Jewel.
What?
Isn't that cute?
Gym shorts and boots.
What's that Mama doing?
Get her to go faster. Come on. That was scary. Hey, what's this? Whoa. Uh-oh. Wait up, Mom. I'm coming.
That'd be a pretty smooth ride the way she moves.
Yeah, no kidding.
It's gonna be fun.
And look how she's moving her front feet.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, today. Hey, what's that? Oh, there we go. I like how she
Man.
Probably have to watch again. I noticed the black lab that Gene and Vala got.
Oh, okay.
That's what that is, Mom.
Just 3/4 of a mile down the road there after.
Come on, today.
Run, Danae, come on.
Come on, Denise. Hey, look at the sun. Whoa.
Marita.
Fun.
And I've seen him chasing that horse out in that pasture over there too.
Their horses?
Yeah, well, they only got one.
Well, that's all we need is have some dog bite up our horses.
If he tries it, he's dead. I'll
Come on,
shoot him.
Denise, you gotta run.
Okay, your turn then. Danae's getting tired.
Now, how about my turn?